Nail polish is widely used for both beauty and self-expression, playing an essential role in modern personal grooming and fashion. It is applied to fingernails and toenails not only to add color and shine but also to protect the nail surface from chipping and external damage. Available in a wide range of colors, finishes, and formulas, nail polish allows individuals to match their nail look with their outfit, mood, or special occasions. From glossy reds and soft pinks to bold metallics and intricate nail art, nail polish enhances personal style and creativity. Beyond aesthetics, many users also apply a base coat to prevent staining and a top coat to extend the wear time and add a glossy or matte finish. With the introduction of gel polishes and quick-drying formulas, nail polish continues to evolve, offering long-lasting results and greater convenience. Whether used at home or in professional salons, nail polish has become a fun, fashionable, and artistic part of everyday beauty routines.